At American Youth Academy, we believe that the path to success begins with connection.
Together, we build a foundation for success. American Youth Academy, where we collaborate, empower, and excel.
When we empower our students, we help them discover their strengths and the courage to face challenges.
Together, we build a foundation for success.
Through teamwork, we empower one another to reach new heights.
Together, we build a foundation for success. Through collaboration, empowerment, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, we shape the future today. American Youth Academy, where we collaborate, empower, and excel.